Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best learning mat is probably one of the most versatile and engaging tools you can introduce into your child's developmental journey, offering a vibrant and interactive space that encourages exploration, learning, and imaginative play right from the comfort of your home. This isn't just a mat, it's a gateway to a world of discovery, designed to stimulate young minds through a variety of textures, colors, and educational elements that make learning feel like an adventure, ensuring that every moment spent on it is both fun and foundational for their growth. Number 5. Infinno Inflatable Baby Water Play Mat. Introduce your little one to a world of sensory exploration. This mat helps build essential muscles and refines motor skills with engaging visuals. Crafted from premium, BPA-free materials, this mat is built to last. Its leak-proof design ensures worry-free playtime without any mess. Getting started is simple. Just add water to the center and inflate the edges for instant fun. When playtime is over, it deflates and folds flat. Easily pack it in a backpack for entertainment on the go. Measuring 26 by 20 inches, it's the ideal size for babies over 3 months. Give the gift of developmental fun to any baby girl or boy. Bright, colorful sea creatures and captivating illustrations will keep your baby entertained for hours. Watch them delight in the playful designs. What we like. This mat is designed to promote sensory development with its bright, colorful sea animals. It is also 100% leak-proof and made from durable, BPA-free PVC. If you are looking for a portable and engaging tummy time activity that won't make a mess, this is the perfect choice for babies aged 3 to 24 months. What people say. The Infinno Inflatable Tummy Time Water Mat is a great way to make tummy time more fun and engaging. The bright colors and floating shapes inside keep babies entertained and curious. The plastic is not sticky at all, and does not have a chemical smell, like some other products of this kind. This indicates they used high-quality plastic to craft this, which is so important when it comes to infants. It's also decently large, colorful, and includes some floating pieces for your kiddo to track and try to touch. Number 4. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad. Get ready for a fun-filled water adventure. This innovative splash pad makes learning easy and enjoyable while your little one plays. Beat the heat with this refreshing inflatable pool designed for children 12 months and older. Create endless summer adventures with its fun fountain sprinklers. Keep your kids cool and safe with our parent-approved outdoor water toys. This shallow wading pool is BPA and phthalates-free for worry-free fun. We believe in the power of learning through play for healthy development. This incredible pool offers both educational activities and outdoor fun in one. As parents ourselves, we prioritize your child's safety and toy quality. If you're not completely satisfied, our customer care team is here to help. What we like. This product offers a 3-in-1 experience as a splash pad, sprinkler, and baby pool, making learning fun. It's designed for safe outdoor play with a shallow wading pool and refreshing sprinklers. If you want to keep your toddlers entertained and cool outdoors while incorporating educational elements, this is an excellent option for children 12 months and older. What people say. After a year it is in great condition, with the only negative thing about this splash pad being the graphics are severely faded. Other than that, it is still in like new condition and works great. Zero rips, tears or defects after multiple uses, with toys being thrown in it and stepped on. We've had this splash pad since June 2025 and I'm honestly so impressed with how well it has held up. Between 5 dogs and 2 kids using it, I expected some wear and tear, but it's still in great condition. The material seems to be thick and sturdy, with the water coming up to my daughter's ankle. Number 3. Merka Educational Placemats for Kids. Make mealtime exciting with these vibrant placemats. They offer an interactive way for children to learn essential math facts like addition and multiplication. Made from high-quality silicone, these placemats provide a stable surface and help keep the dining area tidy. Their engaging graphics are perfect for any learning space. Each placemat offers generous space for both eating and educational activities. They make reinforcing math concepts a simple part of the daily routine. These educational table mats are suitable for children aged 6 and up, supporting various learning styles. They are ideal for both home and classroom use. Maintaining these instructional placemats is a breeze, ensuring they last for a long time. Simply peel off the protective film before use. Turn everyday meals into a fun educational experience. These placemats are designed to engage young minds while they eat. What we like. These placemats offer an engaging way to learn math facts like addition, subtraction, and multiplication during mealtime. Crafted from high-quality, durable silicone, they provide a stable surface and are easy to clean. If you're looking for a practical way to reinforce math concepts for children ages 6 and up during everyday routines, these are a great addition to your home or classroom. What people say. The mat is made of a durable, non-toxic material that is easy to clean. It features a variety of interactive elements, including different textures and sounds, to engage young learners. The mat is designed with bright, contrasting colors that are visually stimulating for babies and toddlers. Number 2. Merka 4-pack Educational Placemat. Introduce your child to educational fun with our colorful placemats. These vibrant graphics cover essential skills like letters and numbers, turning every meal into an interactive learning experience. Encourage your child's self-reliance with our placemat set. Designed with utensil guides, these practical tools aid in developing fine motor skills and proper table setting techniques. Perfect for home, classrooms, or picnics, these placemats suit any occasion. Their flexible design offers convenient storage, making them ready for any meal on the go. Simplify cleanup with our educational placemats. These cleanable mats only require a quick wipe with a damp cloth, ensuring your dining area remains tidy and mess-free. Crafted to support toddlers aged 2 and up, these placemats provide ample space for meals and learning activities. Their durable construction ensures long-lasting use, enhancing your child's development. What we like. This placemat set introduces children to essential skills like letters, numbers, shapes, and colors through vibrant graphics. It also features utensil guides to promote independence and fine motor skills. If you want a versatile and easy-to-clean dining companion that encourages self-reliance and learning for toddlers aged 2 and up, this is an ideal choice. What people say. I can confirm that they are indeed non-slip. These placemats are bright, educational, and easy to clean. These are just perfect. These are the only kid placemats I found that are truly non-slip. Number 1. Think Academy Learning Pad. Discover an engaging way for your child to learn without a screen. This interactive system guides them through fun activities, boosting focus and logical thinking. With exploration, game, and hints modes, it adapts to your child's pace. They can practice shapes, phonics, and logic, building confidence through play. Ignite a love for learning with our flashcards. They cover numbers, letters, animals, and daily life, building a strong educational foundation. Designed for durability and safety, it features a sturdy frame and smooth edges. The waterproof flashcards are easy to clean for independent play. Looking for a gift that's both fun and educational? This set nurtures curiosity and imagination, making it an ideal present for birthdays or holidays. It's an educational tool that supports speech development and prepares them for school. Learning feels like pure fun. What we like. This learning pad provides a screen-free interactive experience with rich voice prompts and fun sound effects, ideal for developing focus and logical thinking. It features multiple play modes and a flashcard system covering various themes to build a solid educational foundation. If you are looking for an engaging educational toy for children aged 3 to 5 that fosters curiosity and prepares them for school without screen time, this is a perfect gift. What people say. This has been such a helpful tool for her. What makes it even better is that the kit features characters she already loves, like Peppa Pig, which gets her excited to play and learn at the same time. It has a big touch panel, similar to her iPad, that reacts to touch, and it comes with learning cards that cover the phonics, simple math, and more. The sound is clear, the English pronunciation is accurate, and the buttons are responsive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.